Right, today I've got a new exhaust for my Royal Enfield Himalayan. I'm going to fit that, and I'm also going to do my best to do a bit of a sound test of the before exhaust and the after exhaust, and another couple of modifications that I've done on the bike as well. Well, today we've got a parcel come for the Royal Enfield, and it's from G R Moto Racing Exhaust Technology. Wow. Wow. Looks like a free tank sticker. Stop it getting straps. Thank you very much, G R Moto. So it looks like we've got a bracket to fit the exhaust on, or the silencer. Another bracket, and another bracket. This is so light. Wow, that does look nice. G R Moto Racing Exhaust Technology. It's so light. I said in one of my previous videos that I wanted another exhaust, and I've heard that you can get a lot lighter ones than the standard one. So I've plumped for one of these. Nice and tidy, like it. Apparently it's got a baffle what you can take out, but I'm not bothered about that. It's supposed to add a little bit more performance, but we shall see. I'm not bothered about that really. I just want it to sound just a tad louder than the standard exhaust, and be a lot lighter. Then I can carry more gear when I go on my trips. So now I'm going to take the exhaust off, and the exhaust bracket is just behind here, behind the guard. So I'll the guard, that'll come off and unbolt it from here. While I am at it, I've decided to do away with the wrap, so I'm going to take the wrap off as well. And while the exhaust is off, I'm going to give it a really good clean. The swinging arm, the stand, things you can't really get to when you're just roughly washing. The rear suspension as well. I'm not in any hurry whatsoever, because we're on lockdown for a month, so I'm quite happy if it takes a week or so, not bothered. Well, I'm past the point of no return now. You can see all the marks on it. I'm really glad I've taken it off, to be honest. When I came to change the oil, and you take off the filter, it just runs onto this stuff, and it was smoking like mad afterwards. And if it gets wet, so steam comes off it. So I'll carry on and get it taken off. Well, I don't think that's a bad little exhaust. It looks really smart. Just wants that bolt just trimming off a bit, which I'll do. But it sounded really nice. And I weighed the exhaust, I weighed the standard exhaust, and that was 4.8 kilograms. And the new exhaust, what, 1.3 kilogram. So you're looking at like 3.5 kilogram saving, which, you know, 3.5 kilograms of extra luggage. I'm really pleased with that. But the friend down the street has got a triumph tyre and a speed triple, and I were on about cold hands, and he said, oh, I've got some heated grips in garage, one of them don't work though, you can have them if you want. I says, well, how much do you want for them? He says, no, I'll give you them. So quite easily I bought another grip, which was for this side, and I've got it all wired up and everything. I've tidied the wires up yet, and it works perfect. And I think that is a real result, that the R&G heated grips. So that's another mod I've done, is to make a heel guard for down here, and I've ordered some aluminium, 3mm aluminium, and I'm going to have a go at making one myself, because I can make it to my own design. But I'll show you that later in another episode. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, especially if you're thinking about getting another exhaust or not. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you very much.